Good morning, students. Yes, how are you all? Yes, when anyone asks you, how are you all? What should you reply? You have to say, I'm fine, thank you. क्या बोलना? I'm fine, thank you. When anyone asks you, how are you? What should you say, children? I'm fine, thank you. You have to say. Yes. Today onwards, we are going to start our maths revision classes. What you are going to start? We are going to start our revision class. Yes, this is the revision paper, children. Who did not take revision paper? Ask your parents to come to the school and collect the revision paper. Yes, we are going to have our exams as soon as we complete our revision. We are going to have exams. So practice them. From today, I am going to give you two bits in revision. Come on. Now open your class workbooks, everybody. Yes. Come on, open your class workbook. Which book? Class workbook. Open class workbook. Put today's date. What is today's date, children? Today is 22nd. 22nd-2-21. Put today's date, children. 22-2-21. And what is the date today, children? Today is Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. In a fresh page, come on, open a fresh page, put day and date. Monday you write and write the date also and write maths revision. M-A-T-H-S, maths, R-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, revision. Maths revision, come on, write maths revision. Yes, children? Open a fresh page, write date and day and write maths revision as heading. No need to write class 5. You are going to write only maths revision. Okay? Yes. Our first bit of revision is insert commas. I-N-S-E-R-T. Insert बोले तो put. Insert commas. C-O-M-M-A-S. Commas. Insert commas and write its number name. Write W-R-I-T-E. Write its number name. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number name. Yes, you are going to put commas and then write its number name. Why commas? Because sometimes we have it in international system, some we have in Indian system. Yes, do you remember international system, children? Yes, in international system we have commas for 3 digits. Yes, in Indian system only first we have 3 digits. Then after we have commas for 2 digits. For that sake they are asking you to write insert commas and write it in number name. What is the first one, children? 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. First write number name. Sorry, place value, children. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. What comes after thousands in Indian system? They did not specify you. Write it in international system. So whenever they did not give you in international system बोल के specify नहीं करे तो आप लोग Indian system में ही लिखने का है. అర్థమవుతుందా చెప్పేది? వాళ్ళు ఒకవేళ మిమ్మల్ని అడిగితేనే ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సిస్టమ్ లో రాయండి అని అడిగితేనే మీరు ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సిస్టమ్ లో రాయాలి. లేదంటే మామూలుగా మన ఇండియన్ సిస్టమ్ లోనే రాసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? 1s, 10s, 100s. Here will be 1 comma. Then after this 2. How we are going to write this now? 3 4 34,000. First you are going to write T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y 34. F-O-U-R 4. 34,000s. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D 34,000. See children, thousand spelling. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D 1000. 34,000. 500. F-I-V-E 500. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 500 and 61. S-I-X-T-Y 60. O-N-D 1. 561. THIRTY 30. FOUR 4,000. THOUSAND thousand. 34,561. 34 both are in thousands place. So what you are going to write? 34,561. 561 561. THIRTY 30. FOUR 4 34,000. THOUSAND thousand. 34,000. FIBE 5 34,500. What is the spelling of 100 children? HUNDRED 100. 561. SIXTY 60. ONE 561. Now here also, whenever they give you number, first write the place values children. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So what is it? Ones, tens, hundreds. You are going to put comma here. Yes, you are going to put commas compulsorily children. In the question itself they ask you insert commas. First you are going to put these three comes into ones period. This is thousands period. So how you are going to read this now? 10,250. Come on, write this. 10,000. THOUSAND. 10,000. 2. TWO 200. HUNDRED 100. 250. FIFTY 50. 250. 10,250. Yes, right. I want very neat handwriting. After every word, how I am giving you the gap, you have to also give the gap and write neat handwriting children. After you write all the bits which I gave today, send your class teacher the homework. What all you wrote, send the pics to your class teacher. Take a photo and send them in the WhatsApp to the class teacher. Yes. What is the third one, children? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Put comma. See, these three one period, ones period, and this is in thousands period. So what you are going to write? 6,000. 6 is in thousands period. 6,000. THOUSAND. 6,324. 300 and 24. 324. Yes. 6,324. Write neatly children. I want everyone to write neatly. Yes children, whenever they give you number, first you are going to put comma after 3 digits. Ones, tens, hundreds के बाद comma लगाना. फिर after 2 digits. In Indian system you are going to get comma after 2 digits. Yes? Follow? Shall I give 2 sums for homework children? Yes? Will you write? Will you put the commas? Write the place values and write its number name. Shall I give D and E are for homework children? Write neatly in your class work. One bit in one page children. These 2 sums are for homework. Yes, these 2 sums are for your homework. Write down. Copy very neatly children. Yes children, note down. Note down. Neatly. Read the spelling of 100 and 1000 while you write. Read the spelling of 100 and 1000. want to write neatly, correct spellings, no mistakes children. You should not write mistakes. Okay? Now, did you copy the two homework sums children? Now, I am going to explain you the second bit children. I am going to explain you second bit. What is your second bit children? Simplify. What is the second bit? Yes. What is your second bit children? Second bit is simplify. Okay? Okay? What is the second bit? Simplify. Simplify बोले तो साइंस देख के उसको क्या करो ना, क्या करो बोले पहले you yes they gave you add for these two numbers and minus for these two numbers. This is subtraction sign and this is addition sign. Do you remember? Addition, subtraction, do you remember children? Yes. Now you see. What should you do first? First, step 1. Step 1, what should you do children? First, you are going to add these two numbers. Yes. 3, 4. Numbers every time you have to give a place and write children. You should not write like this. 3, 4, 5, 6 ऐसा बाजू बाजू में लिख देना. थोड़ा जगह छोड़ते हुए अच्छा फिंगर दिया. The next number is 6, 7, 3, 9. Both what are they asking you to do? Add. Both they are asking you to add. 6 plus 9. After 6 count 9. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 here. Carry 1. After 5 count 3. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1. 9. Yes. 4 plus 7. After 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 carry. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay children, like this. What should you do in step 2 children? Step 2 क्या करना? फिर ये नंबर लेके इसको सबट्रैक्शन कर दे? नहीं, वैसा नहीं करना. जो भी आंसर ఇక్కడ మీకు ఏం ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది? ఈ ఆన్సర్ లో నుంచి ఇది సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయాలి. అర్థమైందా? You are going to subtract from this answer. You are going to subtract this. Okay? Yes. What is the answer we got? 10195 minus 4, 5, 6, 8. Children, see where I am writing the numbers. Correct line in the correct order they should be. Followed? नंबर के नीचे नंबर. यस 4, 5, 6, 8 ऐसा ही लिखना. आप लोग कैसे लिखते थे? 4, 5, 6, 8. ये रॉन्ग है. कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लिखना. You have to start writing the number from this side. 8, 6, 5, 4. Now we are going to subtract these two numbers. 5 minus 8. 5 is smaller, but 8 is bigger. Can we subtract 5 minus 8? No. What should you do? You have to take borrow. It becomes 15. It becomes 8. 15 minus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7. 8 minus 6. 2. 1 minus 5. Again we can't do. But here we have only 0. How should you do? First, ये 1 इधर borrow कर लेंगे. इसमें क्या हो जाता? 0 के 10 हो जाता. नहीं? ये 10 से फिर इधर borrow ले. 9 हो जाता into 11. 11 minus 5, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. Okay? आया समझ में? B1 children. The same way we will do one more problem. Okay? In the same way we will do one more problem. B1. Same children. 7, 4, 5, 6 plus 9, 1, 5, 6 minus 1, 1, 7, 5, 0. Okay? How we are going to do this? The same way. How did you do the A1? Let's step 1 लिख लेना. Step 1. Step 1 what should you do children? First you are going to add these two numbers. Yes. What is the first? 7, 4, 5, 6 plus 9, 1, 5, 6. Yes. Add them. 6 plus 6 children. 6 plus 6. 12. 2. 1 more. Carry. Sorry. 5 plus 5. 5 after. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1. 11. 1, 1. 4 plus 1. 5. 5 plus 1. 6. 7 plus 9. After 7. 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This. What should you do in the step 2 children? Step 2 what should you do? In the step 2 what should you do? Yes? You have to first write this answer children. Step 2 में कभी भी जो भी आंसर step 1 में आया वो लिख लेना. 1, 6, 1, 2. Now this one. 1, 1, 7, 5, 0. What are they asking you to do? Subtract. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 5 you can't do. So borrow. 11. This becomes 5. 11 minus 5, 6. 5 minus 7 again we can't do. Borrow. It becomes 15. It becomes 5. 15 minus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8. 5 minus 1. 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. That's all. So, have you all followed how to write this? Yes children, did you all follow? आया समझ में कैसे करना? Simplify बोले तो? Write it very neatly children. First, you are going to do addition. Whatever answer did you get in the addition, sum did you get in the addition, that you are going to do first. First, you are going to write in the second step. Then subtract the next number. Followed? Note down neatly, children. You are going to do one more problem, and the other two sums I am going to give you for you are going to carry to step 2 children. Step 2. What is it? 502. And what is the sign here? Plus 198. After 8, 9, 10. 0, 1. After 9, 1, 10. 0, 1. 5, 6, 7. Like this. Followed? Yes? Write very neatly, children. After you complete these 3 sums, yes, you are going to do D and D by your own children. Yes, you are going to do D and E sums on your own. Follow? D and E sums आप लोग आपके खुद करके भेजना है टीचर को व्हाट्सएप. पूरे जो भी आज लिखे पूरे व्हाट्सएप भेजने का है. ओके ना? नीट గా రాసుకుంటున్నారా? Everyone, are you writing neatly step by step? Did you all follow? What did we do? Did you all follow? Yes. D and E sums are for your homework, children. Yes. In your next class, I am going to take slip test in these 2 bits. Yes, I won't give you the same numbers, children. I'll interchange the numbers and give you. मैं दूसरे numbers से तो मेरी पट्टी करके लिखने का नहीं है. I'll give you some other new numbers. Follow? I'll give you some other new numbers. You are going to do and send me the do all that in your slip test 1 बोल के लिख के पूरे sums करके मेरे को फोटो भेजने का है. అర్థమవుతుందా చెప్పింది? Yes children, did you all follow?